Hello everybody, today I have been given the pleasure to unbox the new Arzopa D10 10-point-inch digital picture frame. I'm going to be simply unboxing it and then also hooking it up to my phone to show you guys what it looks like with the app and how to use the app. But as you can see, everything is back here. We are told the manufacturer, obviously the product, the model, which is D10. But anyways, let's get started. So, as well, big memory storage, built-in 32 gigabytes memory, keeping over 80,000 photos, easy operation, photos and videos. I will be obviously showcasing all of that. But anyways, let's get into it. So here it is. Just simply slide the box up. All right, place this over here. All right, so the first thing we're given is a manual, a 10-point-inch digital picture frame, user manual with all type of information we need, of course. We're also told the thank you for ordering, and then also a YouTube tutorial if you need it. Also, before starting, I will be showing you all these steps on how to exactly get everything working. And here is how the product is going to look. Anyways, let's put this aside. Let's pull this up. Here is the main big boy right here. And then, I'm guessing this is all its charger and adapter, everything that we need. So anyways, let's check this out really quick. And really neat box unboxing. I really love the way it looks. Everything looks phenomenal. But here we are. Here's the charger. Place this to the side as well. And then finally, the main picture frame right over here, as you can see, with little instructions in the front too, which I will be showcasing. And then I did hear a little thud here, but here is the little gold piece of metal that goes in the back right over here. And this is how you make the thing stand up. Anyways, I'm going to clear up my station and I will showcase to you guys how to get this working and how it looks. Give me a second. Guys, so I have set everything up. First thing you are seeing here after the welcome page is to click adding new members. By clicking this, we are given a QR code, and then here is the Arzopa ad on the phone itself. I will simply click tap to scan code, as you can see right over here. I will then go right in front of me, and then it will start verifying. As it's verifying, you're gonna hear, there it is. So what this means now is, it says here, this frame has been ready to show your photos and videos. So I will simply now click upload, and then click on the frame that I'm using, which is this one. Which again, you could name whatever you want. If you get multiple ones, it makes it a bit easier. And then I have downloaded 3 photos for me to use. You could obviously you could go back as far back as you want in your photos, but I've downloaded 3 sunset photos just to make this more convenient. So it is in progress and you will see it install right here in front of you. So anyways, that is it for the phone. If you come over here, you will see 1549. This is because I have the 24-hour clock on, but you could of course switch that. You have the date on the bottom right, and of course you can take all that out. And then here you could switch the photo. You can adjust the photo if you want to crop it. Everything you want is here. You can also add more members. You could go to your gallery and choose a different photo. As you can see, you can go back to your gallery, switch to another photo. Everything you want, you could set it here with your own belongings. So that's the beauty of this product. It's pretty much, you could bring something that you have done very far away. You could have done something in a whole different continent, and you could come back and set a frame to however you like it. Very high durable material with a stand in the back. Very beautiful material, as you can see, with the power button. Extremely great price. And you could also have multiple managers, which is perfect. If you want to delete anything, you can. So anyways, that wraps it up for the Arzopa 10.1 digital frame picture. Thank you guys for watching, and I truly hope you guys have a phenomenal day. Thank you.